Yo, what's going on, everybody? This is Andy Barnes again with Above the Average Barber Academy, where I transition you from barber school to barber industry. I'm not trying to make you famous, I'm just trying to make you profitable. We offer one-on-one, virtual, and in-person mentorship, catering to barbers trying to transition from barber school into the barber industry. Whatever your goals are, we help you achieve those goals through this mentorship. In this video, we're going to be introducing 5 tips to help beginner barbers pursue their business, as well as it can be help and relevant to other entrepreneurial businesses as well. So we're going to jump right into the video. In this part of the world, many entrepreneurs and barbers in particular have embraced the notion that all you need to be a good barber is limited to just having a skill set and having a good tool set in order to make you a good barber. Rule number 1, start with your future in mind. Starting an enterprise and the process that leads to it marks the trajectory of such an endeavor. Starting as a barber with the desire to build a career from the profession would attribute largely to your consistency and your ability to maintain your focus each morning as you take the baton from where you kept it the night before. You have to have the resolve and be sure that this is what you want and go for it wholeheartedly, being open and continuous and continue to improve even in a way you present yourself to your clients, your look, your speech, and how you conduct yourself. As a rider to this, please take note that the barbering profession has long evolved from being a trade that is known for riffraff, thugs, illiterate, and economically backward to a profession that can raise a family and build generational wealth. Hence, you must prepare to go and be in this for the long haul. It's not what it used to be anymore. More people are beginning to really take this business seriously and really conduct it, as a real business, and really taking advantage of what this profession can really offer you. Point number 2, the objective is to go for more learning. Pay for mentorships, pay for classes, pay for information in order to grow your business into what you want it to be. Do you desire to be a barbershop owner? Do you want to be a booth renter, or you want to freelance? Well, then this is the point you need to pay attention to, because learning is continuous and progressive. Despite your level of professionalism and skillfulness on this job, you need to aspire for more learning. I don't care if you're a beginner or if you are a veteran. You want to continue to learn and be addicted to trying to learn and trying new things you have learned to enrich your skill and the way you deliver service. As you journey through your trade, you must be continued and committed to learning and learning more things and more things, because the last thing you want to be is a barber that's behind the times. Don't be afraid to try new trends, because as we know right now, we're in a phase where a lot of things are trending. So don't be that barber to say, well, I don't want to try that. Try it anyway. And then that way it's something in your bag just in case somebody asks for it. It's not something that you would necessarily have to give every time you deliver a service to all your clients. Number 3, carve out a niche for yourself. Be known within your industry and locally as a good and efficient barber, an innovative barber. You see, those things, those qualifications are what will position you for mute clients as you journey through the trade. As a beginner, you want to retain your clientele through excellent service delivery. But as you build your efficiency, don't build it on the need for more money. Ensure your motive is driven through value delivery to each client. And by doing so, you would inadvertently set yourself up for a better edge above competition in this industry. All right, now we're rounding up to tip number 4, which should have been number 1, because this is one of my biggest points that I thrive and I build my business on. But number 4 is be consistent. I don't know what it is with barbers, but it's very hard for you guys to be consistent, whether it be on time consistently, delivering a consistent cut, providing a consistent service, or being consistent with how you greet and speak and are around your clients. Be consistent. That's tip number 4. Similar to the point above, stay on the grind. Like, grind. Be consistent in the grind. I mean, no one is ever recognized for like being a quitter, but like consistency is the key to being an outstanding barber. Maintain your integrity at all times by keeping your word, being reliable and trusted for services that is excellent. Tip number 5, work with mentors. Find somebody that's in the industry, or find somebody that you trust, or information that you trust, and seek them out. Everyone at a point in time requires, aid and support and a system to lean on. When be sure to maintain an impeccable relationship with seniors and well-to-do barbers, while also expanding your scope of relationship to top professional people around you. They keep your motivation level up. They validate your existence as a barbershop owner or as a freelancer. Like your mentor, they keep you on your toes. They make sure they hold you accountable. They make sure that you are doing what you need to do, because your mentor is also someone who is busy themselves, or should be, or operated a business at one point, or have had several businesses, or a barber who has been in the industry for a very long time. Like, these are the people that you should look up to. These are the people that you should seek out information from. If they charging you, pay what they require if the information you feel is valuable enough for you. But you gotta have somebody by your side. Like, you can't get through this business by yourself without relying on some information from somebody. So as I wrap up tip number 5, get you a mentor. Don't humble yourself and reach out to these people and explain your situation, explain what it is that you're doing, and then I guarantee you that you will find someone to help you along your journey. In conclusion to this video, whatever you do, have the foresight of being a solution to an array of problems that already exist in your society. As you position yourself with these mindsets in combination with your skills, your tools, you would have exposed yourself to a distinct experience as a beginner barber. Well, congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Be sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel to get updates and other helpful tips. And this is Andy Barnes here, and thank you all for watching. Peace out.